Hello, this is Naz from NB Lessons. This is Pre-Algebra Order of Operations Part 2. In my last lecture, I solved some problems. They were easy one, but let's go ahead and see if we can tackle some hard expressions and try to solve them. So I have one for you on the board. In this particular expression, you have multiplication, you have division, you have parentheses. So the rule is anytime when you see parentheses, you solve the parentheses first. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 20 times 4. I'm going to write this equation just like it is, except the parentheses. Solve this first. Okay, so divided by 5 plus 3 minus 4, and then times 1 raised to power 5 is 1 because I'm just multiplying 1 5 times, and then minus 5. I still keep the parentheses on because what I want to do is I want to simplify the expression by solving in step-by-step manner. In this way, chances of making mistake is negligible, and don't try to do it to solve an expression using your head and just try to come up with an answer. I assure you, you will mess up. So let's go ahead and do this. 20 times 4 divided by 5 plus 3 minus 4 times 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Okay. Now in this expression, you have multiplication, you have division, you have addition, you have subtraction, and then you have multiplication again. This right here is 4 is being multiplied by negative 4. Okay, so now the rule of thumb is if you have mixture of division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, you go from left to right. So I'm going to do that, left to right. 20 times 4 is 80. Okay, divided by 5, because that's what the rule says, go from left to right, plus 3, I'm going to leave that the way it is, and then minus 4 times minus 4, minus times minus is plus. So this is going to make it plus 16. Make sense? This is multiplication. Negative 4 is being multiplied by negative 4. So 80 divided by 5 is, let's see, 5, 10, 5, 15. So this is 80 divided by 16. 16 5s are 80 plus 3 plus 16. So your answer is 35. So how was that? This is an exam question. I promise you that you will see something like this in your exam. So be prepared for that. Now let's go ahead and do one more, a complex one. So let's say we have 6 plus 3. I have this bracket. I have minus 4. Then I have another bracket. 2 minus 2 cube plus 4. Parenthesis close. This parenthesis close and the big parenthesis close. Now you look at it and you say, oh my God, this seems really complex, but it's not. If you break it up by rules, you will see that it is not hard at all. So first thing is we see parentheses, small parentheses. We solve for this first. I'm going to write everything like the way it is. 6 plus 3, big parentheses, negative 4. Then I have negative 2. Sorry, not negative 2, just 2 minus, I'm going to open this up, 2 raised to power 3, that means 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Okay, so we got rid of this parenthesis. Okay, now we have another parenthesis, 2 minus 12, so we got to solve for that. So 6 plus 3, there's big parenthesis, minus 4, and 2 minus 12 is negative 10. So I'm going to say this like negative 10 and then brick parenthesis. So now order of operation says you have to do multiplication first. Okay. So 6 plus 3, and I can get rid of these big parentheses and I can just use these. Minus 4 times minus 10 is 40. Okay. How's that? So now what you have is 6 plus 3 times 40. Now B, it's a caution. Go on, you have addition and you have multiplication. Always remember, multiplication will take precedence. So you have to multiply first. Some students will just go ahead and say this and just add 6 plus 3, 9, 9 times 40. That would be wrong. That would be wrong answer. So keep that in your head. When you see multiplication, subtraction, multiplication is addressed first. So this will be 6 plus 3 times 40 is 120. And your answer is 126. So how's that? Watch this 2 or 3 times until it sinks. So I hope you learned something from these expressions, how to solve these expressions. I'm going to come back with another lecture. Till then, goodbye. And hope if you like the contents, go ahead and give me a like. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.